Hello, Internet. CJ with you one last time this evening. I'm happy. I'm in a happy mood. So we've gone like orangey, ready party mode. Ooh, party mode. Party mode. We've confirmed she's all working. And the little test stand thing that I've built is doing what it's supposed to do. Everything's nicely secured. We've got our fans. Everything's working well. I'm quite happy about it. And yeah, video, UEFI, etc. all confirmed. So next thing on the list, got a 970 GTX 970 here that's going off to an OCAU member that I've got to test. So this will be coming out. That'll be going in. We've got to obviously get an operating system actually booted up and running on this thing, but you know, that's minor stuff. We don't worry about that. And obviously I've got to get my lead strip all properly fixed in place here. It's all a bit rough and ragged. See, look, that's no good. Every time I wake up in the morning, this is falling down again like that, and it looks shit. So that needs to be fixed up, and then onwards with the case mod. You know, Cosmos S. Whoa, look out. Cosmos S. Headphones, go away. That's pretty much stripped out. Stripped out all the bays. Bits and pieces, you know, filters and stuff. All these fans and crap here. So it needs a proper good clean out, and then I'm going to figure out how I use this. And these bits. Right, got all sort of bits of acrylic and all sorts of stuff here, and all that stuff over there with a bunch of shit that's in here, in these drawers here. That's the laptop that I'm running off at the moment. So, and that's all the junk from the bits. So all of that, basically somehow, oh, here's the side panels, here we go. Yeah. So basically, the next task is to figure out how to use that and all of that and this stuff and all these tools and things in my tool bag here and stuff I've got outside and whatnot to make an awesome case mod somehow. Input most welcome. Cheers.